Welcome back to Mystery Curtain, the channel where we dissect tech so you don't have to. In a moment, we'll take a hands-on look at the newest, evaluate it. Apple's latest launch has brought the iPhone 17 into the spotlight, and as always, the big question is how it compares with last year's iPhone 16 Pro. A device that set the bar high with titanium design, triple camera versatility, and the powerful A18 Pro chip. While the new iPhone 17 steps in with the cutting-edge A19 processor, a 120Hz adaptive display, and a fresh 18-megapixel selfie camera, and at first glance, it looks like Apple has blurred the lines between the standard and Pro tiers, leaving many wondering whether the differences are still big enough to justify going Pro, or if the regular flagship is now good enough. And when we break down design, display, performance, cameras, and battery life, the comparison becomes even more fascinating. Because both phones share familiar premium DNA yet diverge in areas that may sway your decision, depending on your personal priorities. In terms of design, the iPhone 16 Pro clearly retains an edge with its titanium frame, a material both light and exceptionally durable, giving the device a more premium feel in the hand. Paired with frosted matte glass on the back and a choice of sophisticated colorways like black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and desert titanium, while the iPhone 17 goes with aluminum edges, glossy or matte glass depending on finish, and youthful shades such as black, white, smoky blue, lavender purple, and sage green. And although both have pill-shaped hole-punch displays with ultra-thin bezels and full IP68 water and dust resistance, the structural integrity of titanium gives the Pro model a more professional vibe, whereas the regular iPhone 17 looks playful and consumer-friendly. And even the camera module design differs, with the 17 using a pill-shaped vertical dual-lens layout, while the 16 Pro sticks to the square triple-lens bump we know well. So design really boils down to whether you want robust luxury or colorful flair. Moving to the display, Apple has blurred the gap significantly, because both models offer Super Retina XDR OLED panels with a resolution of 2622 by 1206 pixels at 460 pixels per inch and adaptive refresh rates between 1 Hz and 120 Hz. So you get buttery smooth scrolling, sharp visuals, and promotion across both. Yet Apple gave the iPhone 17 an upgrade in maximum brightness, now reaching 3000 nits peak, compared to 2000 nits on the iPhone 16 Pro, making the newer phone more practical under harsh sunlight and strong lighting. Plus, the Ceramic Shield 2 protection coating on the iPhone 17 promises 3 times better scratch resistance and reduced glare, further enhancing usability outdoors. So while the 16 Pro holds its ground, the iPhone 17 edges ahead slightly in sheer usability of the panel. In performance, the comparison is closer than expected because, although the iPhone 17 boasts the brand new A19 chip with improved efficiency and power, the iPhone 16 Pro houses the A18 Pro, which still delivers top-tier results and handles demanding apps, games, and multitasking effortlessly, meaning you won't feel a big gap in day-to-day usage. But the baseline storage tells another story, because the iPhone 17 starts at 256 GB, while the 16 Pro begins with just 128 GB, giving the standard model more breathing room for apps, media, and large files out of the box. And both receive Apple's long-term iOS support, but the iPhone 17 ships with iOS 26, while the 16 Pro originally launched with iOS 18. Camera systems show perhaps the biggest difference. The iPhone 16 Pro offers a versatile triple camera array with a 48 megapixels main, 48 megapixels ultrawide, and a 12 megapixels telephoto periscope lens capable of 5x optical zoom, perfect for photography enthusiasts and vloggers. whereas the iPhone 17 sticks with a dual fusion 48-megapixel system featuring a main and an ultra-wide sensor. So, while image quality in most conditions is still excellent with vibrant colors and plenty of detail, the lack of a telephoto lens limits versatility, though on the flip side, Apple gave the iPhone 17 a superior 18-megapixel selfie camera, with center stage framing that is sharper and more dynamic than the 12-megapixel true-depth camera on the 16 Pro, making it ideal for selfies and video calls. So you choose between rear camera flexibility or front camera strength depending on your lifestyle. Battery life is another area where the iPhone 17 surprises, with Apple quoting 30 hours of video playback and 27 hours of streaming, compared to 27 and 22 hours respectively on the iPhone 16 Pro, showing the efficiency of the A19 chip, and perhaps a slightly larger or better optimized cell, and charging has also improved, as the iPhone 17 can hit 50% in just 20 minutes, while the iPhone 16 Pro needs around 30 minutes for the same, both still requiring Apple's standard USB-C fast chargers sold separately in the United States. But the advantage here clearly belongs to the iPhone 17. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 Pro is still a powerhouse, with its titanium build, versatile triple cameras, and rock-solid performance, making it the better option for creators, mobile photographers, and those who want the premium Pro experience. But the iPhone 17 has closed the gap considerably by offering brighter display technology, the latest A19 chip, bigger base storage, a superior selfie camera, and better battery life, and with its fresh colors and lighter build, it appeals to everyday users who want an all-rounder without paying the Pro premium. So ultimately, the choice between iPhone 17 and iPhone 16 Pro is no longer about massive leaps, but about nuanced trade-offs, making the decision more personal than ever.